guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. As you can tell, the new M5 and M5 Touring are in the background, 2025, because we got invited to the BMW M5 and M5 Touring media launch in Munich, Germany. And in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys all about them. Now, this is of course the BMW media launch for the brand new models. That also means they put in the old ones. The M5 Touring E34, the M5 E28, another E34, oh, 2007, 2010, the E61. I really like this one. Very brutal looking machine as well. And of course we get the F90, we get the F10, we get the E60, the E39. We all know the E30 now. That thing sounded very brutal as well. E34. Are we riding those boys? Oh yeah. So we also got Dustin. He's gonna be my co-pilot for today. They gave me this phone because the car unlocks with a phone. And also, I asked for a white one. Look at this. Woo-wee. Over 700 horsepower, hybrid mode. And when you come close with the phone, it should unlock. So let's come close and see if it unlocks. Oh, some lights are on. No. Oh, there we go. I probably did something wrong, but... And also, you can use your phone to park it 200 meters far. So I can just be like... and let it park all the way in the back over there. That is cool. Anyway, let's take for a ride. This interior is looking mighty fine. Golly. So we just had the first 200 kilometer drive. Now it's time for some lunch and I'll let you guys see some more BMW M5.
We went on track.
Oh shit! Ludwig Maurer. We are at Ludwig Maurer's restaurant. All right, nice dinner at a fancy restaurant. I think they said it was listed top 20 in Germany when it comes to restaurants. Very nice. Anyway, we're gonna switch drivers. We're gonna enjoy the scenery. We're gonna go back to the hotel because nice lunch, dinner, some talks again, and tomorrow we ride to Touring. You guys know I don't like cities, right? Yeah. This one's going to get parked. Yeah, absolutely floored the crap out of that thing. Anyway, ooh, we got a green one over here. Smokey gonna go inside the hotel and let's investigate.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Why isn't the elevator going up? You have to scan the card. Not that smart, Smokey. They got more room for like 15 rooms over here. What happened here? Ooh. Aha. Here you go. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Smokey's getting the treatment here. BMW. God dang it. Holy moly. Wait. Alright, this is nice though. Look at that. BMW M5 world premiere. Yeah, BMW, that is nice. Minibar, minibar, minibar. Where's the minibar? Where's the minibar? Where's it? Ooh. Here's the minibar. What in the world is that? They told me the minibar is complimentary. I have no idea what it means, so I'm gonna take it anyway. In Germany, they drink like a lot of cola with orange into it. What's wrong with you guys? Anyway, we're gonna have some chips and some stuff. Then we're gonna go to the restaurant, gonna get some sleep. Tomorrow morning is gonna be touring time. Yeah.
Uh. 5 minutes later.
Good morning. Day 2 of the BMW M5 World Launch. And today's video we're gonna be taking the normal Berlins. We're gonna take them back to the headquarters, and then it's time to take out the touring. I can already see you thinking like, Smokey, that is not the newer touring. That is absolutely right, because we can also drive all the pre-models. So I can just pick one out. I want the F90, I want the F10, the E60, up until the classics in the back there as well. And over here we have the M4s. We can take those out as well. These ones, look at that spec. Golly, very nice as well. We can also take out these M3. We can take out the XMs. The yellow ones, the new Tourings, will be later on because I have a time slot for that in the afternoon. And the X5 and X6 Ms, we can also take them out. And also that one. That's pretty badass, BMW. That's pretty damn cool. I gotta say, new M5, absolute beast of a car, 729 horsepower. Probably next year they're going for 800, 900, or 1,000. And we also got a drive at the world's first BMW M5, 1984. Smokey also took that one for a ride. Anyway, that is it for today's video. BMW, thank you so much, BMW Benelux and BMW Germany, for inviting Uncle Smokey to come and ride the new M5. Absolutely had a blast. Good hotel, good dinner, made some new friends. Love it. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See ya. Alright, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you want to see my favorite video, it is right over there. If you want to see my newest video, it is right over there. If you want to subscribe, it is right over here. And if you want to know all about YouTube, like I'm a full-time YouTuber myself, go to smokeytube.com. You can learn all about it. Yeah. Oh, that one?